Hello, so today we're going to do something different. We're going to pick up products that are below 500 or somewhere close to 500. I could not find any primer which is below 500. So we're skipping the primer. It's not that necessary. For my textured skin it is necessary, but otherwise you can skip it. So let's just go ahead with the eyebrows. So I'm taking this one, Innisfree. And the prices also I'll put down here only so that you don't have to go to the description and click and then see the price and everything. Okay. So it's a nice pen. It's not that thin, like okay, pretty decent. It has a nice pulley at the end, which is very necessary. So my skin is a bit oily because I've applied some sunscreen which I want it to be oily. Very important to adjust as per your skin wants. Okay, next directly we're going to go in for the foundation because we are not going to do much eyes, very little. So I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Toffee. Now I know this oxidizes, it grays me out. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm just trying my luck today because I didn't have any other foundation which is lesser than 500 or for that matter close to 500. I don't need so much. I'm gonna waste the extra. I don't care if it is wasted. I'm taking this concealer brush to apply it first with a brush and then we'll do a beauty blender. So I'm taking this one from MAC 219. It's a nice concealer brush which I wish it could have been a little smaller because this can target places which are here but not here. But actually this is the only place that it doesn't target, otherwise I still wish it was thinner. Anyways, let's do this before it gets oxidized. See, the shade is nice, yeah. I really wish it doesn't oxidize. It stings also. It's a new one, but it stings like as if it's old. We'll see if we have to apply. And now I'm taking this beauty blender from a drugstore company, which is pretty great, soft. I love it. It's just like the original beauty blender which we used to get, the pink one. I don't even know what look I'm going for, okay, so I'm just working with products that are below 500. Do we need some more? I think I don't need more because I'm really scared it will ruin the whole look. Next, for concealer, we are taking this Maybelline Fit Me again in the shade Cafe. It is a little dark, see, it does not have that fully yellow undertone. So I'm taking the same concealer brush, dabbing it and not dragging it. I have another concealer which is, I think it's close to 500 when it's on discount. It's always on discount, so don't worry. So I'm taking the Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel, and we're going to only highlight with this because this one is light. I'm using very little because it gives some flashback. See, it brightened up right a little bit. I think it looks pretty good, better. Couldn't find any setting powder which is above or around 500. So I'm using this one, Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 330 Toffee Powder. It's a compact powder. This used to be my everyday makeup. No concealer, no foundation, and I used to have good skin that time. This one is pretty matte, okay. It's not like pretty matte, but it's like matte enough for an oily skin. Next, let's do the eyes. I am taking this colorful palette from Hilary Rhoda. I could not find any other palette which I own that is around 500, but I think there is this Nicka ones which are really good which I have to buy, not now, but for eyeshadow brush, I'm taking this one from pack 104. It's a nice fluffy brush, huge brush, okay, so for a small eye like mine it's only good for blending and stuff. So I'm taking this peach shade here because the lip color which I have is pretty much like that. These shades are pretty good, they're like pigmented. See, just took a little bit. Okay, next I'm taking this brush again from pack 208. It's a nice like a pen kind of a brush which is not very pointish because It's good for, you know, blending small areas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this for my under eyes. Taking the same shade, see how nicely it targets that area. Now I feel like my eyeshadow could be a little more, so I'm going to use my finger, which is more than 500 rupees, but fingers are sometimes the best. See, when you apply with your finger, it's so pigmented. You know, on the palette this looks nice peachy orangish kind, but on my skin it's looking pink because there's a dark undertone. Okay, now for eyeliner I'm using this one, Faces Canada, my favorite. Before this I used to use the Colorbar one, which was not that matte, so I was searching for something matte, and this is one nice matte eyeliner. Even the tip is like not a brush, but it's like a pen. Just a slight thin eyeliner with a small wing. Okay, next we're going to curl my lashes. Next for lashes I am taking this Maybelline Lash. I always can't. Maybelline Lash. Maybelline. Somebody slap me now. Someone, anybody here? Maybelline Lash Sensational. Maybelline, you can't hire me. Yeah? You just can't hire me if you ever want to. I will ruin your brand. It's the Lash Sensational. Okay. Now for the kohl, right? I have this pencil from PAC again. So it comes like this. It's a skin shade, you know, the inner skin color. Comes with a smudger also. So I'm going to use this. I've already put mascara down, so I don't know how it's going to look, but let's try. You see how it's made my eyes look a little big. Now for highlighter, I'm using this one from Maybelline. So I'm using this brush again from PAC 245. It's a nice powder brush, which is like soft. Most of the PAC brushes are like below 500. Okay, I just changed because my battery was flashing and I had to go transfer, so I thought I'd use the time to change. Anyways, for blush, I don't have a blush. So I'm using the same palette for a blush. The camera is looking pretty light, but otherwise it's looking nice. Okay, now for lips, I'm taking this PAC lip liner, which is so like overused. So small. Long lasting lock in the shade So Spicy. Like you can see, it's a beautiful shade to hide pigmentation, especially my lips. For lipstick, I'm using this new lipstick from Nykaa All Day Matte in the shade Super Mom. Click this link to know more about this lipstick. Okay, next for eyelashes, I am using this one from PAC, Mink. Sorry, I've come close, but I have to look at the mirror. So about a fourth time trying to put on lashes. Okay, so please excuse me. So I found the trick. The trick is you have to look that side and press this side, otherwise you hurt yourself. Lashes done. So this is the budget-friendly makeup look. Everything around 500. I put down all the links in the description box. Go and check it out. And I hope you like this video. Let me know what's your favorite product among all of them. And I'll see you in my next. Bye.